Hi everybody and welcome to another Bitwig Studio video. Today we're gonna address how to install third-party presets like my Producer Essentials pack into Bitwig Studio, because I get a ton of questions of how to properly install them. So let's take the tour. Okay, so we're in Bitwig Studio 5 and there's several ways that you can find out where the preset folder is located. So one way is to click the Bitwig icon and go to the dashboard, go into settings and locations. And under locations we need to look at my library, and my library location is users / my username documents / Bitwig Studio / library. So that's where your presets will end up in a subfolder called presets. And on your Mac that's going to be your disk, users, username, documents, Bitwig Studio, library. And within the presets folder, that's where you place your third-party presets pack and presets. Now if you grab one of my presets pack, say the Producer Essentials pack, which is also included with the Bitwig Masterclass, we can actually take a look here at the Morning Dew Media Education web app, and we go into the Bitwig Masterclass. And on this homepage for the course, if you scroll down a little bit, you will get to where are the presets and sound included with the Bitwig Masterclass. And if you don't get the digital download via email, you can always go here and press this little button and you will download all the preset packs that comes with the Bitwig Masterclass. So let's head over back to our presets folder, our library / presets folder, and we can actually create a subfolder, maybe called PEP, Producer Essential Pack, and we will drag that folder into presets and make a double click so we're inside the PEP folder. Now we can just drag all the content within a copy to a Bitwig preset folder. Now let's drag that back to the PEP folder. Now in Bitwig Studio we go to the rightmost browser and click Bitwig Presets, and we can filter by creator. So let's press creator and scroll down a little bit here and we will find Morning Dew Media. And we click that one and you get to see all the presets related to Morning Dew Media. And these are basically the presets from the Producer Essentials pack. So let's listen to a patch. Yeah, so you can see it's super easy to get the preset packs here into Bitwig Studio. Now, if you for some reason don't find that preset folder, here's a little bonus tip for you. Within Bitwig Studio, create a new instrument track and maybe add a polysynth or whatever synth within Bitwig Studio, and create a little patch like this. And we will drag this patch into the browser to save a preset. And let's call this preset PopSop and just press OK. And if you make a search within the browser, PopSop, you can always click the preset and make a right click and select Show in Finder or Show in Explorer if you're on a PC, I guess. And as you can see, that's a super quick way to find out where our user presets folder is located. Yeah, so that's basically how we find out where the presets folder is located. Now make sure you watch my next episode where we check out this new exciting synth called Ghost. My name is Matthias. See you in the next episode. Bye.